Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super fantastic filter like this. If you are making this filter by adding a slow motion, so this make a flicker effect which is super fantastic effect and filter for your Instagram reels and shorts. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Click on the effect option here, then click on the search option here. Now just type as flicker. You just need to click on the first filter, flicker flashing. Just click this. You can see with a super beat sound, music beat sound, you can make this effect possible. This effect surely make your reel super. So actually this filter flicker effect with the slow motion will make a super fantastic video for you. This filter gaining with the slow motion will bring a super magic for your reel and your shorts. So I think this video helped a lot. If it is really helped a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Instagram filters, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.